Hello, beautiful humans. I hope you're having a positive day. I took a trip to Arizona a few weeks ago to see family and friends and thought I would share some of the fun I got up to. First on the agenda is a few days with my friend, hi, who recently had her first child. I haven't met yet. The last time I saw her was a year prior for the baby shower, which was super fun. Once I arrived, I was showered with puppy love, which is always fun, and spent most of the time soaking up time with the babe. We stayed in Pinetop, Sholo area up north, and if you've never driven the canyons, it's gorgeous. Arid landscape, it's very windy though. We went to a restaurant inspired by Buffalo Bill and played in the next door grass.
Playing with your toys.
While I was caring for the babe and the others were packing up the car to leave, she fell asleep on my chest. It was so sweet, the sweetest moment. I'm so glad I captured it. Then it was family time. I stayed at my parents' and they turned their den into my own private room, which was really nice of them. And they added lots of useful pieces. They're working on getting a barn door installed too, and surprised me with a family tree in the shape of a heart. We enjoyed time at the Chandler Mall, seeing the new sports store called Scheels that has a fish tank, Ferris wheel, a lot of animal displays. It's huge. And the otter. Hey, duckies. Oh, even inside the water. foxies. Oh yeah, little bats. I like the bears. A little family. And raccoon. There is a lot of photo opportunities around the mall. We went to a unique ice cream shop that rolls your ice cream in like on a cold stone, and it's also a very cute picture spot. The mall has some lawn games to entertain with, so we played some cornhole. And then we went to YC's Mongolian Grill, a favorite spot of mine that lets you put as much as you can in a bowl. You press it down to make room and watch the chefs cook it right in front of you. It's so worth the money too, as they have some included soups, rice, and beverages. Plus, it's a lot of food, so multiple leftovers.
That's smart. Put a little hole in it.
The next day, Mom and I had a date in Gilbert for my belated birthday where we got massages. We shopped around at home for my room. Had a spark of inspiration for the blank spot above my bed to create a whimsical display filled with greenery and florals like these examples, but simple. Then we enjoyed our favorite Chinese food restaurant called Great Wall. We also always order so much food. The following day, my parents and I enjoyed our first cooking class at Sur La Table, I believe is how you say it, in Scottsdale. It was super fun. Looking through an old photo album once I was home of my growing up years was really sweet to look back on. We used to attend powwows, which are Native American ceremonies. And this is me during our interior design schooling. So many great memories. What better way to end the trip than getting frozen yogurt, and some delicious Mexican food. My absolute favorite, and Arizona does it right. Also on the flight there was an adorable couple holding hands across the aisle during landing, which was so sweet, put a smile on my face. Have a fantastic day all and stay positive.